So today I'm doing shit with her. I'm gonna make a graduation fan using the material that was on the intro screen. The first thing I did was use Cricut to print off the fan on vinyl stickers. I made the design using Canva, so I also use Canva for this. I use Canva, the internet, and Cricut app to do the design, and that last thing you saw was vinyl sticker glossy, and it didn't work out. You know, the Cricut wouldn't recognize it. So what you're seeing here is regular old matte sticker paper. I don't know if it's vinyl or not, but I don't know if vinyl stickers is. I think it's all a scam. So anyway, this probably will be sped up because everybody's seen Cricut do print and cut. If not, you got the gist of it. It's looking for the lights. The light's looking for the marks to line up the cut. So here's the rest of it sped up. So I did 3 passes with the Cricut because that material you saw me putting a vinyl sticker on is called chipboard, and it's like thick cardboard without the center part, the corrugation, I guess you want to call it. So it's not super thick, but it's thick enough and it's sturdy enough to make a fan out of. So I put the sticker paper onto the chipboard. When I first made it, the first ones I made, I cut the sticker out first and I cut the chipboard out first, and I tried to put the sticker onto the chipboard, but it came out horrible. I made picture of those ones at the end, but it comes out much better when you just put the sticker on the chipboard and then let the Cricut cut out the chipboard and the sticker at the same time. It's gonna take 3 or 4 passes with a fine blade. I was hoping it was going to ask me to put in a knife blade or whatever the other blade is that I have, but it didn't. So I just did the whole thing with the chip, with the fine blade. But it really didn't take long. I'd say less than 5 minutes for all the cuts, and you'll see it, and it came out pretty good. Not this one. This one had a little scuff on it. You can see it right there. On the right hand side of the graduation, that was a piece of fish from Captain D's. But you can see that little scuff, and I just pointed to it. But I did another one that I couldn't show because the person I made it for didn't want me to put it on video. So we're just getting this one, and this is a sample for somebody else who wanted to see what a fan looked like. So they're gonna get this sample at 87%. So yeah. So I'm trying to get the remnants off, and then I'm gonna try to peel the remnants from in between and then take it off the cut mat. It's really not hard to take off. That is a strong grip mat, but it's a Timo brand or whatever, so it really wasn't that strong. And this is right before I put the stick on. So here the stick I use, I believe it's called Tack It. I did say glue. I got it from Michael's, and this is only the second thing I used it on. I used it on a hat. If you go back, you can look at my junk hat project. I used it to adhere one of the patches that wasn't iron on, and they said you can't wash it, but I figure it's perfect for this. I couldn't find my glue gun, so.
Daryl, what you in there doing?